Lesson 4. Passive Income with Changex. Passive income is a hot topic in the DeFi space. That's quite evident. The concept involves you employing your tokens and them generating passive returns. Many traders and investors see it as a method of combating inflation and increasing the amount of tokens that they hold with the help of assets that they aren't actively using or trading with at this point in time. These aren't the only benefits of passive income with crypto, however. With how volatile this industry still is, passive earnings can serve as a way to mitigate any potential losses in value on the funds that you hold. As opposed to that, if you believe in the long-term success of the project that you've invested in, passive income can also serve as a tool for growing the value of your portfolio even further, with close to no active participation required. It's actually similar to buying an apartment and then renting it out. You make an initial investment and are then able to enjoy passive returns. Except with crypto, there are no renters that you'd have to deal with. Then, you also have some of the more ambitious takes, such as passive income being a way to earn while you sleep, or even a method of achieving complete financial freedom and independence. Changex supports a rather wide array of different methods of how its clients are able to earn passive returns on the tokens that they hold. First and foremost, you have staking. Users of the platform can stake Change tokens, the native token of Changex, from the comfort of their wallets, assuming that they've acquired some of this token already. Users don't necessarily need to stake Change tokens, however. The platform supports multiple different asset staking functionality. If you stake any other token, you will also boost the Change APR in doing so too. Then, you have some of the more complex passive earning tools, such as boosting stake token APRs via leverage staking, stake compounding, which can be done manually as well, and stablecoin lending, all of which are features that are set to release in the coming months. In addition to all of the passive income opportunities that you can utilize with Changex, one more thing to mention is that the Change token also employs deflationary mechanics. All crypto-to-crypto and fiat-to-crypto transactions reduce the total supply of the token by using part of the revenue to buy change and then burn it.